This lecture is on Word, Chapter 3, and we're going to be dealing with numbering and bulleting. All of this is Level 1. So the first thing we're going to do in this video is we're going to use the numbering system. I'm going to do a Control END, which takes me to the bottom of the document. If I do Control Home, it takes me to the top of the document. Again, Control END takes me to the bottom of the document. I'm going to type in a 1 period space, and I'm going to type in this information. And then I'm going to press enter. It automatically starts numbering. And as you can, as I press enter, it goes to it has the next number, it goes to the next line. So it goes on, so forth and so forth. Now, if I don't want to continue my numbering, all I have to do is press enter again. It takes it away, and I have completed my numbering. Now, what happens if you have text already? You've already typed in your text. Well, you can do this. I'm going to do Control Home. It takes me to the beginning of my document. I am going to highlight my text. And all I'm going to do is click on the numbering system. And there it is. I've numbered my information. Now, suppose I notice I've left some information out, or I want to include more information in my numbering. All I have to do is click behind where I want to insert my information. It automatically renumbers it for me, and I can type in my information. There you have it. Now let's talk about bullets. We've been working with numbering. Now let's work with bullets. I'm going to highlight my text here. And then I'm going to go here to where it says bullets. I'm going to click on the drop down arrow so I can choose the type of bullet that I want to use. And I'm just going to use my dots as my bullet. You don't have to. You can use any one that you like. Just choose the one you like. If you want to use check marks, you can do that. You can do all that dealing with choosing the type of bullets that you want to use. Now, this next step I want to do is called adding borders to the paragraph. So I'm going to do Control Home. Now I'm going to highlight technology information questions, and I'm actually going to put a border around it. If you go into your paragraph grouping, you will see the icon that says borders. You can click on the drop down arrow and you can decide what type of border that you would like. I'm going to do a outside border. There you go. There's my outside border. Now, in addition to borders, I can do what they call paragraph shading. So I'm going to highlight from number 1 down to number 6. If you notice, as I highlight my numbering, I'm not highlighting the actual numbers. They will not highlight, but you can work with the actual text. And I'm going to come down here to borders again. I'm going to come all the way down to the bottom to borders and shading. Click on borders and shading, and then I'm going to click on the shading part here, and I'm going to click on a fill color, and I'm going to just choose a nice fill color, and this is the way it's going to look, and this is how it's going to look in my text. And there you go, and you have it. So we did borders and then shading. Those are two different things, and you can go from there.